Stop wasting your time doing the Character.AI face and ID verification over and over again. If you're actually stuck in that annoying loop where it says success but immediately forces you to do it again, you don't need to panic. Your face ID is actually fine. The app is just having a glitch. But in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can actually pass that loop and get back into chatting in less than 2 minutes. So here is actually the hidden reason why this is actually happening. The Character.AI doesn't actually scan your ID. They use a third-party software known as Personal. That is why you can actually see that success message, which shows that Personal has actually approved your face and ID card. However, this is actually a massive bug right now between the Character.AI servers and the Personal. The approval token isn't syncing back to the app. So the mobile app thinks you haven't done it yet and keeps trapping you into that endless loop whereby you submit your face and your ID, yet it is still asking you to redo it again whenever you try to do it again, and it is not giving you the opportunity to chat, and it is not actually allowing you to do it again, which we all know that most people actually use the Character.AI for chatting mainly and not to do video. So right here, in order for you to actually fix this is what you can actually do. Go to the web version of your Character.AI like this. This is the web version. You just need to go ahead and search for characterai.com on your browser and then go ahead and click on it, then log into your account. So once you do this, in order for you to check if it is actually your account, you can simply click on the 3-line icon at the top left corner like this and check if the name at the bottom of the screen is actually your name. So if that is your username, then you are good to go. So the next step you need to take here, so let's say for instance you don't have PC, the next step you need to take here right here on your mobile device, the whole process is actually the same for both mobile and PC. So if you are using mobile device just like the next step you need to take right here is to go ahead and click on the 3 dot icon at the top right corner of your screen. Once you do that, go ahead and scroll, then go ahead and click on desktop sites. So once you do this, it is actually going to change the whole interface to a desktop site. So the next step you need to take here is to go ahead and click on the 3-line icon at the top left corner once again. Once you do that, go ahead and click on your name at the bottom of your screen. So once you do that, go ahead and click on settings. So looking right here, you can see profile, public profile, you can see accounts, you can see preferences, you can see muted words, you can see parental insights, you can also see advanced. So looking right here where you can see advanced, that is where you can see verify age. So you need to go ahead and click on verify age like this. I've actually done this several times before using the app version, but the issue actually just keep persisting. So right here, it's actually directed me to input my government ID. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the camera icon in order to capture my government ID. So looking here, you can see what it says here. Everything looks perfect. Please complete the following process. So looking right here, you can see we verified your age. You can see that right here. Thanks for verifying your age. You now have full access to Character.AI, including one-on-one chats. So let's go ahead and click on close to check if this verification was actually successful or we are still existing in the same loop of verifying and re-verifying. So let's go ahead and click on the 3-line icon once more and then go ahead and click on our profile, then go ahead and click on settings, then go ahead and click on advanced. So right here you can see that it is still showing us verify age. Now if you have tried the browser trick just as shown on this video, cleared your cache, and you are still trapped in that endless verification loop, you don't need to panic. Don't blame your ID. What this actually means is that Character.AI servers have completely frozen your specific account token. No matter how many times you scan your face, the automated system is still going to be stuck. You cannot actually fix this on your device. It has to be fixed by a human on their own end. But I'm not actually going to leave you hanging. This is exactly what you need to do next in order to actually force them to fix it. You need to look down in the description or the pinned comments of this video. I have put their direct link to their official Character.AI help center. So you just need to go ahead and click on the link and submit a request and file an age assurance or verification ticket to them that your personal verification says successful but the app is still in loop. it's actually going to force them to go ahead and fix that issue if they haven't noticed this issue yet. So the more many of us actually send these tickets to them right now, the faster their dev team is actually going to push out a global server path to fix all of our accounts at once. So let's team up on this. Drop a comment below if this browser trick actually worked for you, and let me know as well if you've actually filed your own ticket. Alright guys, if you appreciate this honest breakdown that did not actually waste your time with fake fix, smash the like button, subscribe to this channel and hit notification bell. It has always been Daniel on Ask Daniel Fix. See you in the next one.